The fourth part is the square of trinomial. Again, when we say trinomial, a polynomial consists of how many terms? O 3 terms. So meaning, medyo mahaba na po yung pattern natin. Kasi ano ang given natin? Trinomial, anak, imumultiply mo yung trinomial ng ilang beses? 2 beses. Kaya ang magiging product niya ay ilang terms na po kaya ito? O, bilangin natin. 6 terms na po ang magiging sagot. Okay, so this is the pattern in finding the square of trinomial. So where A is the first term, B is the second term, and letter C is the third term. Okay, these are the steps. Okay, step 1. Square the first term. Ano yung first term natin dito? A. So, i-square daw natin yan. Step 2, square the second term. Ano yung second term? Square the second term. Third, square the third term. Ano yung third term? C. So, that is C squared. Then after that, ang step 4, multiply the product of the first and second term by 2. Ano yung first term? A. Ano yung second term? B. After getting the product, i-multiply pa kay 2. Kaya magiging 2AB. Okay, next. Multiply the product of the first and the third term by 2. First and third, that is A and C. So, multiply ulit kay 2. This will become 2AC. And then for the last step, multiply the product of the second term, which is B, and the third term, which is letter C, by 2. This will become 2BC. So this time, we're going to use the given pattern to find the product of the given trinomial. Let us try an example. So let us analyze first the given, anak. So ilan lang po yung pattern na binigay? Isa lang po. Meaning, pwede siya kay addition, pwede rin po siya kay subtraction. Ang rule natin dito, anak, since isa lang ang binigay na pattern, kapag ang operation dito ay subtraction, ang magiging sign, magiging negative. Kapag addition, positive. So, anong operation po ito? Addition, and this is also addition, meaning lahat yan ay positive. Okay, so step 1, write the pattern. Okay, this will become A squared plus B squared plus C squared plus 2AB plus 2AC plus 2BC. Step 2, get the value of A, the value of B, and the value of C. Okay, our A will be the first term. What is the first term here? Okay, this will become A. What is the second term? That is our B. And the third term is? Okay, then after that, lahat ng A papalitan ng, lahat ng B papalitan ng, and C, 3C. Gawin na po natin. This will become A squared plus, ano si B? This will become 2B squared plus, ano po yung C natin? This will become 3C squared plus 2 times A times 2B plus 2 times A times 3C plus 2 times 2B times 3C. Then after that, simplify. Get the product of each term. Or A times A. A squared. Next, multiply natin, anak, si 2B ng ilang beses? Dalawa, sa sarili. 2B times 2B. Very good. 4B squared. Plus, multiply 3C twice ulit. 3C times 3C. 9C squared. Next, okay, 2 times A. 2A times 2. Sige, proceed tayo muna, anak, sa numerical coefficient para hindi nalilito. Multiply first the numerical coefficient. 2 times 2. 4 times A. 4A times B. 4AB. Pagsamahin lang, since ang variable natin ay magkaiba, pwedeng i-bring down na lang po yan. Okay, plus 2 times 3. 6 times A. 6A times C. 6AC. Plus 2 times 2. 4 times 3. 12 times B. 12B times C. Okay, 12BC. Therefore, this is the answer for the given trinomial.